Moving to another country is exciting, but let's be honest, it can also feel overwhelming. You're not just packing boxes, you're dealing with shipping, customs, paperwork, timing, and making sure your belongings arrive safely. That's where experienced international movers can make a huge difference. Hermes International Movers are known for helping people relocate across borders, whether they're moving for work, family, school, retirement, or a fresh start abroad. International moving takes more coordination than a local move. So having a team that understands overseas shipping, logistics, and destination requirements can make the process much easier. International movers can help with packing, loading, shipping coordination, customs guidance, delivery, and unpacking support, depending on your move. They can also assist with household goods, furniture, personal items, fragile belongings, and sometimes specialty items that need extra protection during a long journey. For an overseas move, proper packing is not optional. Your items may travel by truck, ship, or air, and they may be handled at multiple points before reaching your new home. Professional packing helps protect fragile items, furniture, electronics, kitchenware, artwork, and personal belongings during long-distance transport. One of the biggest parts of international moving is paperwork. Different countries have different rules for household goods, personal items, restricted items, and customs clearance. A reliable international moving company can help explain what documents are usually needed, what items may require special attention, and how to prepare before shipment day. The cost of an international move depends on several things: where you're moving from, where you're moving to, how much you're shipping, and whether you choose sea freight or air freight. Packing services, storage, insurance, customs fees, delivery access, and shipment volume can also affect your final quote. Sea freight is often the more budget-friendly option for larger international moves, but it usually takes longer. Air freight is faster, but it can be much more expensive, especially for heavier shipments. The right choice depends on your timeline, budget, and how quickly you need your belongings delivered. International relocations don't always line up perfectly. Your new home might not be ready. Your shipment may arrive before you do, or you may need time to settle in first. Storage options can help protect your belongings until you're ready for delivery at your destination. Before moving day, create a clear inventory of what you're taking, separate important documents, and pack essentials you'll need while waiting for your shipment. It's also smart to confirm restricted items, review insurance options, and keep copies of all moving documents in one easy-to-access place. International moving can feel complicated, but the right movers can guide you through each step and make the process feel much more manageable. For reliable Hermes International Movers and overseas relocation services, visit 3movers.com today and request a free moving quote.